What is up, kids? Yeah, so today we are going to make some metal shaping tools. You might know them as post dollies. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get everything cut. I'm not going to waste your time. Yep. Not going to waste your time having you watch me cut stuff. But we're going to be making 4 of them today. Because I can't count to 5. And if you know why, it'd be pretty funny. Put it down in the comments if you know why I can't count to 5. Anyway, so I'm gonna get this stuff cut. I'm gonna get everything cut, and then I'm gonna show you what we're gonna do, because that's what we do here at the speed shop. Right? Right. Okay, you talked me into it. I'll show you some cutting. It'll be fun. One more? Okay, one more. And then that's it. All right, we got all that done. Now, a couple things. One, this happened. Foreman might try to tell me something. Maybe I should stop setting stuff on fire. No. Good safety thing, though. And then finally, I got myself a die grinder, because actually the foreman gave this to me. My lovely girls gave this to me. So I'm looking forward to actually using that instead of the grinder all the time, you know. You know what I'm talking about. You know what I'm talking about? Okay, so the reason we're doing these thingies, we'll call them thingies, is now each one of these has a little bit of a bend to it after I cut them out, because they got hot and stuff, and of course they're under stress. So I'm going to try to get them flattened out some, but it's not super duper important that I get them super flat, because let's face it, most of the stuff's gonna be going on the top. So we're gonna be doing something like that here, you know, like that, right? Like that. That's what we're gonna be doing. So let me get set up. So we've got it ground down. So we're gonna be doing something like this, right? Now, something else I want to show you. Make sure when you're cutting or when you're getting ready to cut things that your equipment's good to go. This I noticed right after I turned it on, because some things hit me in the hand, and actually I had one that was worse too. So make sure, gotta be safe enough. Oh, here it is, right here. Hey, look at that. Yep. Those are no good. Don't use stuff that's no good. So you just miss your garbage can. That's what you do. Okay, so now we got a round thing and a flat thing. You think our third hand will help? Well, let's look and see. Okay. You know, maybe if we go like, no, that's not going to do it. How about we pin it with the magnets like this, right? Get a magnet and another magnet. Pin it. And then, let's see if the third hand will help. I don't know if it will. Hey, look at that. That's why I made that right there. For stuff just like this. Okay, just got to center it a little bit better. Just to hold it right in place, like that. Okay, I did turn off my furnace, or my heater, because, you know why? Fuses. So I'm going to get ready to go. That's ready. I'm going to get ready. We're going to do this. Chad, Miles Paint Speed Shop, remember? We're going to be doing, oh, actually, it's Wendell. Wendell, I'm part-time here. I do the work that's not great, and then I get blamed. So we're going to turn this guy and make sure we're set up here. Let's turn it up just a little bit. That maybe. Turn that up. Yeah. Right on sync. Yep. All right. Let's do this. Let's see if it works. You know what doesn't work? Helmet on grind, not weld. That's not fun. All right, let's see if it held. Hey, look at that, it did. Okay. I'll burn this in and bring it back. All right, here's the next one. We'll put it on weld this time so I don't go, whatever. The thing. I won't show you the weld till I'm done. Here we go. Okay, now we're going to do the thing. Not bad, kids, not bad. All right, let's do the other ones. We'll bring it back in. That one's not going to work like that. So we might have to do the magnets. More magnets, please. I have some, but they're not great. I need some better magnets. the thing. I mean, I definitely need some better magnets. I can stop shopping on the Temu or something. Anybody got any suggestions for better magnets? You know, let me know. I need something. Something. I tell you, right now. You can tell right now these things are junk, man. I'm not talking about junk, man. I'm talking about these things are junk. They used to work. Now they don't. And I don't know what is going on here. Back on weld. Well, let's see what Gavin. Welding! You ready? Welding. That pipe's pretty thick, so hopefully my tacks will hold. We'll find out right now. Do I throw these magnets around? Hey, looks like it. Let's do this. We'll say this one's not going to be as good as the others. But look, when are they ever good? Right? Stick around. Done with the welding and grinding and grinding and cutting. And, oh, not cutting. And we're going to use this guy though, right here, right now. We're going to show you how these are going to work. So we need some metal. We're literally going to just kind of, oh yeah, remember we got to put the clamp at Cousins down on it, but we can make it work right here like this. That's our woodwork fab. You can see it. We got that from Never Wore That Thin At. Check him out. That's it. I don't have to say it again. Let's check him out. Something. All right. Now what we do is we get a hammer. Use metal. We can literally just, you know, kind of slippery gloves and the hammer don't work. See? That's what it's for. That one's hot. We'll just, that's not too bad. Hot enough to not make you happy though if you touch it. All right, now we got this guy. So we'll flatten it back up. Flatten it back up. It's just metal. This happens to be your replaceable 66 Barracuda hood. This was off my first car, actually. This right here was off of my first car. Same thing. You can get bigger. Yeah? You're like, oh, China, that's true of the same thing. It is, but it's not. It's bigger. Now, we got a square guy, too. So, first you're going to burn yourself by holding on to it. Yeah, okay. Check. Did that. Now, probably help if I I've done the old vise, huh? Oh, I broke it. That's what happened. Well, I ground too much of the weld off. Don't look at that one. That didn't happen. It did happen. These other ones, it didn't happen. Now, big bad boy, right? Right. We're gonna kind of makes sense. You can get right around. I'm gonna fix that one. Hey, not everything goes as planned. I just ground too much of the welds off, or this wasn't enough penetration, or whatever. But look, 3 out of 4 ain't bad. I think Meatloaf said that, didn't he? 3 out of 4 ain't bad, like that, right? Except for he had more hair. We'll just leave it at that. All right, let's take a peek here. Yep, that's exactly what happened. I ground too much of the weld off. Yep. And that's what we did. Right there. We're not going to fix it right now. We're just going to take that as an L, whatever that means. Somebody said that once on the TV, and I was like, yeah, whatever an L is, that's, yeah. I'll use that. Anyway, these are post dollies, or, you know, whatever you want to call them. Yes, I know, they're all kind of similar, but, you know, this one's got us tighter, this one's a little bit bigger, this one's a 1 inch, this is 5/16, this is a half, I think. Yep, it's a half, and this is 1 inch. I might have to use a different piece of square tubing. I have another one down there. So I'm not going to mess with that right now. So, like I said, 3 out of 4 ain't bad. That's, even Meatloaf said it. It's fine. It's fine. Hope you enjoyed the 3 gooder ones, and the one not so gooder. I'm going to get the nubs off of here, because that's a thing. I am going to clean up the ends a little bit more, but, you know, hey, these are what I got for now. And I had them around, and, you know, as I get better, but look at the weld on that. I mean, that's actually pretty good right there. You know, I did okay. And then, you know, that one right there is pretty good. Pretty good. Even the big guy. Hot! If you're wondering, it's this one. All right, so that's how you make your own metal shaping T-dollies, post-dollies, whatever you want to call them. Anyway, it's what I did today, and I hope you enjoyed it. And we'll have the other one fixed. You won't. There's not going to be too many more videos for a little bit till I get this stuff cleaned up. It's pretty bad in here. Pretty bad. So we gotta get all this cleaned up. I gotta get it's happening. It's gonna happen. I promise. I promise. We're actually gonna do something on it eventually. Next 6 to 5 years. All right, kids. Anyway, hope you have a great night. Thanks for watching. We appreciate it. Don't forget the ding wrong. Share it with everybody. And keep on wrenching. Little bonus footage. I didn't go in the house. I did this first. Yeah, it's gonna be hot. But you know what? We're doing it right now, live. Starting to get a line in there. That's what I'm going to do with this. I'd say success. That's just, hear that? Listen. I think it's done. Hoy! Is it still hot? Oh yeah. So as you can see, with a little perseverance and whatever you want to say, you two can just Gorilla Glob the weld up and make it happen. Anyway, now, I'd say we're gonna have it right here. One more. Now, keep on wrenching.